When filtering is disrupted, what happens when protection stops working correctly? This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 138. The brain is protected by filtering systems. They control what gets through, but this system can change. Under stress, under inflammation, under constant load, filtering can become disrupted, sometimes too restrictive, limiting what the brain needs, sometimes too open, allowing what should not enter. Both change function. Clarity can drop, energy can decrease, signals can become unstable. This is not random. It is a response to conditions. Protection can become limitation or instability. Function follows. Next episode. What supports stable and balanced filtering? If this resonates, please subscribe, like, comment and share. It helps the channel grow. This work is created independently. If it supports you, support link is available on the channel page. Thank you.